Warning disclaimer. Trading involves risk. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. This is educational content, not financial advice.
Guys, welcome back to my channel, Shadow Life Trade or Shadow Trade Live, whatever it is. Yeah, so thank you so much for being with me, and so let's start the live trades. Basically, I'm just uploading it just right now. What is the time? Right, it's 2:07, and there you go. I'll just keep it short today. I'm not making 25-35 minutes video, right? So what's happening in Bitcoin? Let's see. I got this one. Wait a second. No, alright, so there you go. If you see my strategy, there you go. So these two indicators are my strategy indicators, which I shown in my previous video, or already you saw, right? So this was the profit which I take the live trade, right? This one and another one as well. Just give me a sec, I'll just show it to you guys. So this one, these are the signals which we get. Basically this indicator works on a scalping basis, right? So which I told you guys, it's a strategy one with me, right? So it's going good. All the profits almost. Let me show you guys. That will make more sense to you guys, right? Where the heck? Okay, so yeah, 1 2 3 3 losses, okay, and one profit. So with this indicator or the strategy indicator, right, which I do is I put it on AI, and the bot works for me for these small scalp trades, right? So these are working fine on background. I'm just getting profit with this one, 40% until now for this year, right? Excuse me. So now let's go for the live trade which I took it today. Yep, there you go. 16 September 8:30 p.m. IST time, right? So it's in profit right now. I hopefully it gonna close it by what? Let me see. I think it's gonna close up by maybe tonight itself, right? So give us some time and maybe it will close, hopefully, right? And the trade which I took earlier, yeah, this was a live trade too, right? 11 September. It was profit like 2.68%, right? And now current which I'm giving you guys, it's a live trade which is 1.22%, right? Sorry I didn't came up live earlier 8:30 p.m. because it was my wife's birthday, right? So I was like busy with her. Otherwise I would have come and showed you guys on live. So sorry for that, but yeah, this is what it is. Also just wanted to show you guys few other things, right? The profit calculator, right? So maybe let's say like this is basically based on crypto profit calculator, just showing you these advanced settings as well. I put it all in market order because I use that market order, not limit order, because it takes time to fill the order, right? So I take all the trades in the market order. So now let's say if you put $1,000, 70% is your win rate. That means 3 losses, 7 wins here, if you can see this one, right? And number of trades for a month, maybe 10, 8, something like, let's say on an average 10, right? And the leverage is 10 as it is, right? And this is the fee which we pay for trade after swapping it with Binance Coin, right? So there's a system in Binance. Maybe I gonna show you, or maybe I gonna make a simple video for the beginners like who want to start trading on Binance, right? And again, like the Binance is the best platform to trade in. I am not affiliated with any kind of platform thing, right? I just started my journey on YouTube to show you guys and help you guys to earn money, right? because my primary motto is to tell you how to become profitable in your trading journey in crypto, right? So that's my motto. I'm not gonna edit again whole night this video, so I'm not going to edit or doing any sophisticated things. Just a simple video, put it on YouTube, that's it. So yeah, this is 60% is the profit for a month, right? And 60% in a month is not bad. That's a realistic profit which I'm showing to you guys, right? It's nothing, the other guys who are gonna show you like, you will get maybe 1000%, 4000%, 800%, 400% profits. That's unrealistic. That's completely gambling. It's not a strategy trading. But here with me, if you see, I already told you guys like what I'm taking trades. I gonna reveal that strategies too in my journey. It's just like we just started yet, right? So I'm just showing it slowly, right? So yeah, this is see, right? It's moving up slowly and steady. So hoping for the best. Yeah. So for sure, I'm gonna reveal everything to you guys. Yeah. That's about it. Thank you guys.